Stu. There's work to be done. Seriously, Stu. You already had your lunch break. Get up!
Where is he? He said he'd be by 10, and that was almost 2 hours ago.
I don't know. Hey, you two live under the same roof. I should be asking you. Alright, well, I'm gonna rack them up. Wanna go for loss number 4 or what?
Actually, I think I'll spare myself a sweep. I should get going.
Where? Where do you have to be that's better than this? What am I supposed to tell Sterling?
I don't know, make something up. If he even shows up.
Alright, yeah, I'll manage. Hey, that was a blast. Thanks for hanging out, and thanks for the invite, wherever you're going. Appreciate that.